What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video. This is the last stop on the last day of the members save 20% off sale. So man, I had to squeeze in as many visits as I could. Let's go check out what they have at Camarillo. And then yeah, man, I don't know what else to do after. I have a feeling this spot will have the 30% off the wall, then another 20% off. I don't know. Still do got a little gift card. So yeah, let's go see if I can find a steal real quick. Yep. They're about to close the store in a little bit. Nothing at the front counter. Do got 30% off on the clearance section. Also got a little heat wall. Okay, let's check. Shouldn't be too much of a surprise. Do got retros. Jordan 9, the Jordan 3. I don't remember what this is, winterized? I don't remember, but yeah, look, you can see the suede going up. Oh man, that's fire. Size 9. Saw these for hella cheap this morning. You got the 7s right here. Oh, it shows what sizes they got too. Haven't seen that in the past. Okay, 200. Court purple 13s. Just a 9.5. Oh, dude, I'm excited the fact that they actually show what size it is. Not that one though. Dunks, more dunks. Yep, they do show the size. This is fire, dude. That's a really good idea. Some mids, some dunks. All right, let's see. It's like an hour before they close or something. I don't know. Let's see if they have anything left over. Size 10.5. Got a bunch of these. Oh, this ain't on here. Oh, I was like, what the heck? Wrong box. All right, Freak Crater Trail mocks right here. Ugly things, $100 for those. Air Max 2021s going for $135. I think I'm a little too late, man. Don't really see much. Hirachi's going for $100. Why not 0.5s? 0.05s or 0.5s for $100. Blazers going for $90. Witness 6s going for $95. That's an 11. Prestos size 10 go for $75. Infinity Run Flyknit 2s retail. Jordan 36s $175. All right, we're moving down. I think I know which one this is. We gotta look at this. I think this is the one I got for hella cheap at. I got a Grayskull for a friend of mine for like $40. Yeah, yep. The Jordan 35s, I believe, right? Jordan 35s. I got a Grayskull pair for so cheap a while back. These are pretty dope, dude. These are pretty dope. Yeah, definitely not paying retail or whatever for it, but yeah, I don't know. If that is for you $180 though, you get 30/20. That's not too bad. Got some Jordan 1 little golf right here, size 10. I think these are 140. That kind of bugs me right there. The Jumpman. Yeah, this would be dope. This isn't as nice as the Jordan 1 Low OG, but it is better than the Jordan 1, like typical Jordan 1 Low. The color blocking is sick. They do fit. Thinking about it. Let me see what the price is. All right, so 140. I just had someone scan it, so it's $78. Do I need these? Got these 175 for those. Going down in size. Infinity Run Flyknit 3s going for 130. Hirachis, more of these, $100. Size 9s, $120 for the trainers right here. Got some dunks here. These are Dunk High. Like I was saying, Dunk High premiums. Does come with extra laces. This is a size 9. Mixture of tumbled buck leather and I don't know what. Is that nylon in between? I don't know. Okay. Alright. Whatever that price is. I don't know. What's it? 135, 140? What do the dunks go for now? Some more trainers. Going for retail though. Yeah, size 9. Infinity Run Flyknit going for 180. Ton of these Prestos going for 75. 8.5. A lot of people have been talking about these. Like a denim premium Air Max 1. Retail though. 8.5. LeBron's, no price tag. Zoom for 3's going for 60. That drops down to what, $33 something. Still got plenty of these. Not in my size though. Dang it. Got some more Hirachis going for 120. Got some, what's this, the Glide Flys going for 45. What the heck? These LeBrons going for 130. Okay. Damn, I did check. Not my size. Alright, I did check in the app and yeah, they didn't have my size. Dope. They've had those smaller sizes here for a couple months now, if not longer. Alright, so go check out the bigger sizes. Size 11, Zoom Freak 3's going for 60. Delta 2's going for 75. Nothing too crazy. Is this, oh, I was like, is this one of the refurbished boxes? No, it's not. It's just one of those recycled things. Court Visions. Not for retail, that's way too high. Air Max Pre-Days going for 70. LeBron's 170. Air Max 270s, we've seen this color a few times, $170. 75 for these Presto, size 12 now. 11.5, got Witness 5s, going for 70. 12 Air Max 90s. Going for retail though, man, dang it. 13s, more LeBrons, price 150. Got these Killshot 2 leathers, down to $50, holy crap. What are these? The Pegasus 83 Premiums got down to 80. 14s, got Soldiers going for 100, way too much. Jordan 36s going for 145. Prestos that just fell down to $50. Throw them up here instead. Air Max 90s, down to $110. That's a size 15. Vaporfly Next Percent, $100 for those. Size 14. Alpha Flies, $130, size 15. $90 for those. 80. Okay, that's about it. Alright, we're gonna have to check out the aisles. Got a bunch of the Jordans. The Jordan nothings. Yeah, let's skip those. Giannis Immortalities. KD Trey 5.9s. I don't think this stuff is any better right now than the Jordan nothings. Flytrap 5s. Flytrap 4s. Another one of those. Last one. Like I said, this is the last one. And got Immortalities separate from that other one. I have a bunch of them over here. In this colorway forever now. Last colorway. Got a couple Hydro 6s. These ain't bad. Westbrook Take 1s. Budget line of the Westbrooks. Jordan 200Es. Kind of like the Air Max 200s. Go for hella cheap. Zion 1. Someone left this right here. Go for 75. Witness 5s. And kind of the same stuff at every outlet, to be really honest. Or KD Trey 5s. These are the 9th gen. That's some of the, what is that? One Onta Beatrues? The hell? One Onta? On, I don't know, whatever. Benassis. You get 2 of them on that one. Trainers. Air Force One mids. These are the ones that we saw for hella cheap at Westlake, right? Yep, it was that one and this one. Another Air Force One high. Rachis going for hella cheap. Remember, it is 20% off all sneakers with the Nike membership, so yeah, you got that hella cheap. Not bad. Another Air Force One. Laser Low Jumbos. Raider Impacts. Air Max 2017s. Another one of those. Last one. You can tell so many of the Terra Escapes. This is a Terra Escape Plus. Second one of those. Last one. Max Pre-Days. And yeah, I tried to get that one. So 70. I guess that's for the extended size. All of the 12.5 and above are priced cheaper. I don't think I've ever seen that in the aisles. Extended size pricing in the aisles. I don't think I've ever seen that. Yeah. Air Max Genomes. Another one of those. 95s right here. Just talking to the workers, man, they love sneakers just like we do. Pretty dope. Air Max 90 Terra Escapes. Got the wide Monarchs, regular Monarchs, Super Rep Go 3s. Is it React? No, I guess not. It's just regular EVA. Air Max 95s. And then these are different. They look very similar, but they are different. This one got like some suede on it. Air Escape 97s, 270s. Another one of those. Metcon 6s. Another one of those. Metcon 7s. Another one of those. Zoom Terra Kiger 7s. Another one of those. Phantom React Flyknits. Those were the 2nd gen. This is the 1st gen. Alright. Price is going down. Price going down. These are comfy as hell. workers restocking, but look at how much stuff they have. That tells you they got a lot of stuff, dude. Look at that. Shout out to the homie Michael who said what's up. Sports the channel, dressing sharp as hell. Sharpest dressed dude here. Appreciate y'all saying what's up. Look at this. They got 2 rights. You need 2 rights? 2 rights? Man, I saw that for like $8. Dude, come on now, dog. 2 rights? What are you gonna do with 2 rights? Someone has a bum left foot, I guess. All right, so I did drag my kid here. He's like mad as hell. Dude, look at this, 10,000 steps today. All right, let's look at the clothes real quick, and then we're gonna wrap it up, and we're gonna talk. Nike with the old school box right there. Dang, dude, got the OG box, $25. This is 30% off the clearance section, which is pretty dope. I'm gonna show you that one. We've seen all this stuff. $50 for that. That's XL. The hell is this? A bunch of different Nike emblems. Double XL 35. Still got a couple of these. These are fire, dude. $100. If I went to Florida, I would so get one of these. If I was from Florida at all, that's fire, dude. These are just smalls though. Did I say the price on those? $100 for those. Got these super bright sweatshirts. Is it 110? I guess 110. I do got some soccer jersey. Yeah, I don't know all the soccer teams, you guys. Man, fool's gonna clown on me. I don't know, dude. $95 for this. It is collab with one of the teams. Okay. Nike Balance Diet. What the heck? What the hell is that? Okay. Going for $65. Damn, apparel. I'm just not seeing much, you guys. I'm not gonna lie. Do get 30% off, but just not seeing much. All right, it is 20% off clearance, or 20% off all sneakers. So we're gonna have to check out the women's at least the aisles. The clearance section hasn't had much dope stuff in a while. We're gonna start with some running shoes. Infinity Run React Flying at 3s and 2s right here. Another one of those. Damn, a bunch of these. Let's go to the next shoes. Pegasus Trail Gore-Tex, Super Rep 3s, the Free Metcon 3s. Another one of those. Air Max 97s. All white one, clean, can't go wrong with all white. Up to size 12. Max 270s. Vapor Max 2021 Flyknits. Max 290s. Another one of those. I think there's one more. Last one of those. 2017s. Another Air Max 2017. DIAs. Do people care about these? I don't know. The NOLA slides right here. Got a few of those. Be True. Wait, but we don't even have any. Maybe they're bringing these out. The Be True Blazers. Air Force Ones. With the jersey material. Like, not jersey. Fleece material for the swoosh. With the pearls right there. Shadow all black. Pixel Air Force Ones. The one with the nice leather. Should be like a craft. Got that suede on the back. Court Legacy slips. Highs. Crater Impacts. Oh, there's the B2s. They're putting those up. They're putting more and more, dude. Like that's how much stuff they got, man. Just tons and tons of stuff right now. All right, I think I'm gonna take these. $78.40. That is what it comes out to. Jordan 1 Low Golf. If I don't want it, I have a friend who wears a size 10 who can take it. All right, let's go. Let me go pay for it. I didn't even get a bag. I just threw it in my backpack. $78. I'll show you the receipt when I get home. $78, dude. Not bad. It's dark. Let's go.